In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Smartsheet. Indenting in Smartsheet is a simple but powerful way to organize your information, especially if you're managing projects, tasks, or any kind of structured list. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create parent and child rows, so your sheet is easier to read, track, and report on. Let's start from your Smartsheet grid. Go ahead and open the sheet where you want to adjust the structure. You should be in the standard grid view where you can see your rows and columns clearly. First, you'll want to highlight the rows you plan to indent. To do this, move your cursor to the far left side of the sheet where you see the row numbers. Click once on the row number of the first row you want to indent. That will select the entire row. If you need to indent multiple rows at once, click and drag down across the row numbers to highlight a group of rows. Alternatively, you can hold down the Shift key while clicking the first and last row in the range you want to select. You should now see all of those rows highlighted, which means they're ready for formatting. It's important to choose the correct rows here. Think about which row should act as the parent, and which rows will be the children underneath it. You'll indent the child rows, not the parent. For example, if you have a main task and several subtasks, select the subtasks that belong under the main one. Once your rows are selected, look toward the top of the Smartsheet interface, just above your column headers. In the toolbar, you'll see an icon that looks like a right-pointing arrow or a small step to the right. This is the indent icon. With your rows still highlighted, click on the indent icon. As soon as you do, you'll see the selected rows shift slightly to the right. They now appear nested under the row above them, which becomes their parent. Smartsheet may also display an expand or collapse control next to the parent row, allowing you to hide or show the indented child rows as needed. If you indent something by mistake, you can always reverse it using the outdent icon, which looks like the arrow pointing left. Just make sure the row or rows are selected before you change the indent level. That's all there is to it. By highlighting your rows and using the indent icon in the toolbar, you can quickly create a clear hierarchical structure in your Smartsheet.